You know that funny sound your cat makes, the chirpy meow. That's not quite a meow, not quite a purr. What's that all about? Well, cats usually chirp when they spot prey, like birds or squirrels outside the window. It's almost like they're practicing their hunting skills, or maybe even trying to mimic the sounds of their target. But here's the sweet twist. Many cats also chirp at their humans as a softer, friendlier hello, unlike a meow, which can mean feed me. Now, chirps feel more like, hey, I see you. It's one of those quirky reminders that even our cozy house cats still carry wild instincts mixed with a big dose of love. So next time your cat chirps at you, don't ignore it. They're letting you in on their little secret. Does your cat chirp more at birds or more at you?